Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm wearing my favorite church. My favorite shirt. I'm wearing my favorite shirt for the first time at Resonate Oakland. That should mean something to you. So that means something, yeah. My favorite hat also. Yeah, I love the siblings at Reality San Francisco. You are my siblings. We are siblings, okay? But you need to denazify. You need to denazify. Reality. I'm sure it's the whole thing. Even Park Community Church in Chicago, you need to denazify. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna tell you this. This is the reason that. I think it's June 8th, so you need to fact check everything. June 8th, Ateneo de Manila. That's like the Yale of the Philippines. Because our Harvard there is University of the Philippines. A state university. Yeah. So, and thank you to the Ateneo graduating class, the faculty and the staff and the students of Ateneo de Manila. Thank you for standing up for the truth and doing that for us, for everybody. Okay, so the basketball players, college basketball players of Ateneo de Manila went to a boot camp. They call it a boot camp or something, but they refer to it as boot camp. So, and there are other words for it. But anyway, let's just say it's a boot camp. Let's use one of their type, one of their the words that they use for that. And 2 died. A Filipino's drowned. A Filipino and an African. The coach is white. United States white. And the last name traces back to England. I tell the Filipino people, keep your eyes on Xi Jinping. I love you all.